Today we'll be doing 3-2 angles of elevation and depression. So starting off on the first problem, we see that there's a point on the ground 4 meters from the base of a tree. The angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 62 degrees, and we're going to try and find the height of the tree. So, we're going to make a little tree here. You see a spot 4 meters away, elevation of 62. So for this, we're going to remember SOHCAHTOA and see that we're going to be finding the opposite and the adjacent, which will be tangent. So for tangent, we take the opposite, which would be x, and put it over the adjacent, which is 4, equal it to tan of 62, which is our angle of elevation. So now to solve this, we have to multiply it by 4, because we can't have that 4 on the bottom there, so that cancels out. And then we'll plug this into the calculator. So first we're going to find tangent 62, and then multiply that by 4, and we get our answer. .5 is our answer.
Now, try this one by yourself. You may pause the video for time. Use this to check your answer for the first practice problem.
A helicopter is 630 feet in the air. If a person laying on the ground is looking at the helicopter at a 55-degree angle, how far is the person from being directly under the helicopter? For this problem, we're going to remember SOHCAHTOA, which means that we're going to put O over A equals tan x. So 630 over x equals tangent of 55. Now to solve this, multiply both sides by x so that that cancels, which gets you 630 equals tan 55 times x. So to solidify the x, divide this by tan 55 on both sides, so that this cancels, and then plug this into your calculator. So now we're going to plug in 630 divided by the tangent of 55, which comes out to 441, which is your answer.
For the next practice problem, a bird is flying 200 feet in the air. If the bird falls asleep and dives to the ground at an 80-degree angle, how many horizontal feet will the bird travel before it hits the ground? Try this on your own. Use this to check your answer for the second practice problem. You may pause the video.
For question number 3, frog 1 is 100 feet away from the base of a 300-foot building. Frog 2 is on the top of the building. What is the angle of depression from frog 1 to frog 2? Using tangent again, we're going to find the opposite, which is 300, put it over the adjacent, which is 100, and equal that to tangent of x.
For the third practice problem, An airplane takes off the runway and rises to 1,000 feet in 700 horizontal feet. What is the angle of elevation? Now use this to check your answer for the third practice problem.